So do you also wish to summarize any kind of document using an AI agent automatically? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to use AI agents for automatic legal document summarization with Pabbly. So as a firm owner, I receive a lot of legal documents in a PDF format, and here my objective is that whenever a new file is added in my Google Drive, then automatically OpenAI should read the file and generate the summary for that file, and after that automatically that summary should be shared with me on my Gmail account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Drive with OpenAI and Gmail account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically summarize legal documents using AI agent with Pabbly. So this will help you save time, boost productivity, and focus more on critical legal work instead of manual reading. Alright, so as you all know that as a legal professional, I often deal with lengthy documents like contracts, case files, legal notices, and agreements. So reading and understanding each one takes a lot of time. So by using an AI agent for automatic legal document summarization with Pabbly, I can instantly generate short and clear summaries of these documents. So this helps me quickly grasp the main points without going through every line. It saves a lot of time, improves my productivity, and lets me focus on more important legal tasks instead of just reading and reviewing. Alright, so here my objective is that whenever I'm going to upload a new legal document in my Google Drive under this specific folder, then automatically OpenAI should read the document and generate a summary for that document, and after generating the summary, automatically that summary should be sent as a mail on my Gmail account. Alright, so here we are going to build this amazing automation by simply using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Alright, so here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now here on my screen you can see the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as use AI agents for automatic legal document summarization. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so moving back to Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is the response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's build that automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Drive, as I am uploading new legal documents in my Google Drive under a specific folder. Alright, so Google Drive is a cloud storage services where you can store your files and access them from any device. So in my Google Drive trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new file in a specific folder, so that whenever a new file in a specific folder is uploaded in my Google Drive, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so now here to connect my Google Drive with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Drive account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward. And then here it is asking me to select the folder or the subfolder. So here I need to select the folder and from which I want to capture the response in this Google Drive trigger step. Alright, so here I've already shown you that I've created my folder with the name legal documents. And here in this Pabbly's workflow, I'm going to select my folder name as legal documents. Now here after selecting my folder name, I am going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I need to upload a new legal document in this particular folder to capture the response in Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here before uploading the document, we need to perform a very important step. That is, you need to click on this folder name and from here you need to click on this share. And here under this share, you need to select share option. And from here, you need to update this general access. That means here you need to update this general access to anyone with the link so that AI can access the document of this particular folder. Alright, so here you have to update this access and then you need to click on this done. Alright, so now after updating these settings, you need to upload the file over here. So for that, I'm going to click on this file upload. And from here, I'm going to select that specific file over here. So here you can see I have successfully uploaded a file over here with the name test loan agreement. So this is the test loan agreement on which I'm going to set up this entire automation. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the details such as web view link, web content link of the file and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So here let me tell you that Google Drive is a pooling based application. That means it will capture the new responses within 10 minutes. And here if you wish to set this trigger time, then you need to click on the three dots and from here you need to select set trigger time. And then a dialog box will appear in front of you. So from here you can select the trigger time. So here you can select the minimum trigger time as 10 minutes and maximum as 24 hours. So here I've selected the minimum time and then I'm going to click on the save. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once a new file is uploaded in our Google Drive under that specific folder, then automatically I want to generate a summary for that particular document using an AI agent, that is OpenAI. So for that I need to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions and even generate creative ideas. So here in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as extract content from PDF or image. So by selecting this particular action event, I'm going to extract the content from that particular document and generate a summary for that document. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account and from here I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. And here under API keys, you can see all the existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new API key by clicking on this create new secret key button. And from here I'm going to give a name to my key such as summary. And then I'm going to select my project as default project and then I'm going to click on this create secret key. Alright, so here you can see the API key has been generated. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the OpenAI model. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the AI models available. So in this particular case, I'm going to use my AI model as GPT-4o Mini. You can select the AI model as per your need. Alright, and then here is asking me to enter the image or the PDF URL. So it says enter the image or the PDF URL here. Supported file types are these and ensure that the URLs are publicly accessible and downloadable. So here I need to enter the publicly accessible link of the PDF of which I want to generate generate the summary. Alright, so here instead of entering the PDF URL manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step, or you can say from my previous steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to upload a new file in a Google Drive, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the web content link of this particular PDF, scrolling little down, and then here it is asking me to enter the prompt. So in this prompt field, I need to enter the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a summary for this particular document. Alright, so here I'm going to add the prompt, and here you can see I've successfully added a relevant prompt over here to generate a summary of this PDF that I've attached over here in the PDF URL field. Alright, so here I've added some instructions as well for AI to generate the relevant summary, and now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a summary generated for this document by OpenAI. So here is the entire summary of that document, and with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after generating the summary of that legal document, automatically I want to receive that summary on my mail account. So for that I'm going to add another action step over here, and here in this action step I'm going to select my action application as Gmail over here. So Gmail is Google's email service that lets you send and receive emails online. So here in my Gmail action step, I'm going to select my action event as send email v1. Alright, so by using this particular action event, I'm going to send an email to my Gmail account, to my firm's Gmail account, in order to receive the summary of the document on my Gmail account. Alright, so now here to connect my Gmail with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Gmail account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Gmail. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. Alright, so now moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the recipient email address. So here I need to enter the email address to whom I want to send this mail. So I'm going to add my firm's email address over here manually, because here I want to receive this mails always on this mail ID only. Alright, so I'm going to add my firm's email address, and now after adding my firm's email address, it is asking me to enter the CC or BCC. So here these fields are not required fields, here I'm going to leave them blank, but if you wish to add CC or BCC, then you can do it as per your need. And here for the sender name, I'm going to add the sender name as ABC firm only, that is my firm name. And then here is asking me to enter the email subject. So here I'm going to enter the email subject as summary of, and then here I'm going to map my file name from this Google Drive trigger response. Alright, so here I'm going to search for the file name over here, and this is the file name, so I'm going to map it over here. And now with this we have completely entered our email subject, and then here it is asking me for the reply to field. So again this field is not a required field, so I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the email content type, I'm going to select plain, and then here it is asking me to enter the email content. Alright, so here for the email content, I'm going to enter the content that I've generated using OpenAI. That means the summary of that particular legal document. Alright, so this is the summary, and then again this file name and attachment are not a required fields, so I'm going to leave them blank. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a mail to our firm email address with the summary generated by OpenAI for our legal document. Alright, so now let's go and check our mail account. And here you can see the mail that our firm has received with the email subject as summary of test loan agreement.pdf. Here you can see the sender name as ABC firm, and here you can see the entire summary generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as Google Drive and our action as OpenAI and Gmail, so that whenever a new file in a specific folder is uploaded in a Google Drive, then automatically OpenAI is going to read the document and generate a summary for that legal document, and after generating the summary, automatically that summary is going to be received as a mail on our Gmail account. Alright, so these were the steps to how to use AI agents for automatic legal document summarization. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.